Let's practice your English. I read white, and you read yellow.
Introducing themselves. Greetings.
Let's start. Hello, I don't think we've met before. I'm Misbah. I work as a software engineer. How about you, Sarah? I love problem solving and creating innovative solutions. It's always challenging, but that's what makes it exciting. What subject do you teach, Sarah? History is indeed captivating. I appreciate how it provides valuable lessons and insights from the past that we can learn from. It's been great getting to know you, Sarah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.